importance of playing volleyball, physical, mental, and social benefits. So first, we have physical fitness benefits. First, cardiovascular health. Volleyball is a dynamic sport that involves quick movements, jumps, and sprints, all of which help improve heart health by increasing heart rate and circulation.
Ang volleyball ay isang dynamic na sport na maraming galaw tulad ng pagtakbo, pagtalon at mabilis na movement. Dahil dito tumataas ang heart rate natin, kaya mas napapalakas ang ating puso at blood circulation.
Next is muscle strength and tone. It engages multiple muscle groups, especially in legs, arms, shoulders, and core. Spiking, serving, blocking, and diving for the ball all help to tone muscle.
Sa paglalaro ng volleyball, ginagamit natin ang iba't ibang muscle groups tulad ng legs, arms, shoulders, at core. Halimbawa, sa pag-spike, serve, at block, mas nagiging strong at toned ang ating katawan.
Next is improves coordination. Volleyball requires players to move quickly and be aware of their surroundings, improving hand-eye coordination, balance, and reflexes.
Kailangan sa volleyball na mabilis ang galaw at alert ang players. Dahil dito, mas nahahasa ang hand-eye, coordination, balance, at reflexes natin.
Next is endurance. As a fast-paced sport, volleyball helps enhance stamina and overall endurance, especially in longer matches.
Dahil fast-paced ang volleyball, nakakatulong ito para mapataas ang stamina at energy level natin, lalo na sa mahahabang games.
And next, flexibility. The sport demands quick, dynamic movements which can increase joint flexibility and overall mobility.
Yes, flexibility. This sport, the volleyball sport, demands quick dynamic movements. So pag sinabi di man nating dynamic movements, hindi lang siya nasa isang lugar, kundi nagpapalibat-libat siya ng movements, which can increase joint flexibility. So nakakatulong ito na mag-increase yung joint flexibility natin and overall mobility.
Now, let's proceed to mental health benefits. First, stress relief. Physical activity like volleyball triggers the release of endorphins, which are known as feel-good hormones. This can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression.
So, dito naman sa stress relief, ang physical activity tulad ng volleyball ay nagre-release ng endorphins. So, ano nga ba yung endorphins na yon? It is a feel-good hormones. So, pag sinabi natin feel-good hormones, dahil dito, nababawasan ang stress, anxiety, at depression.
Next, boost cognitive function. Volleyball improves mental agility, strategic thinking, and decision-making. Players need to constantly think on their feet and react quickly to the ball's movement, helping to sharpen mental focus.
Boost cognitive function, ibig sabihin nito sa volleyball, kailangan nating mag-isip ng mabilis at gumawa ng tamang desisyon. Nakakatulong ito para ma-improve ang mental agility, focus, at decision-making skills natin.
And the last is self-esteem. Engaging a physical activity and mastering new skills can boost confidence and self-esteem, leading to a more positive self-image.
So, dito naman sa self-esteem, kapag natututo tayo ng bagong skills at nagiging active tayo, tumataas ang confidence at self-esteem natin. Mas nagiging positive ang tingin natin sa ating sarili.
So now, let's proceed to social benefits. First, teamwork and collaboration. Volleyball is a team sport that fosters cooperation, communication, and collaboration among players. It teaches players to work together to achieve common goals, improving social bonds and teamwork skills.
So dito sa social benefits, ang volleyball ay isang team sport kaya natututo tayong makipag-cooperate at makipag-communicate sa teammates natin. Natututo din tayong magtulungan para ma-achieve yung isang goal natin or yung goal natin.
Next is social interaction. Regular participation in volleyball can help build friendships and social networks, offering opportunities to meet new people and engage in a community.
So, dito naman sa social interaction, sa paglalaro ng volleyball, nakakabuo tayo ng friendships at mas lumalawak ang social connections natin sa isa't isa.
And the last is discipline and responsibility. As a team sport, volleyball helps individuals develop a sense of responsibility and discipline. Each player must rely on others, which encourages mutual respect and accountability.
And the last is discipline and responsibility. Bilang isang team player, kailangan maging responsible tayo sa role natin. Natututo rin tayo ng discipline at respeto sa teammates natin.